What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1aauto. Here we have a nice compact trolley jack from 1aauto.com. It's got some nice casters on the back, some wheels on the front, so it's easy to maneuver around. Also comes with a carrying handle. And this handle also is how you raise it up. On this side, there's a little bar that goes across there. That's where you tighten. This is the release, so just make sure that's snug. You can insert the handle here. And loosen it up, and that'll go down. It also comes with jack stands, which makes it a lot safer working on a vehicle. You raise these into position and they'll lock down and support your vehicle. Comes with 2 of those. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.